Hello, dear Leo. Welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. I hope you all are doing great. And before we begin our reading for the month of November 2020, I request you all to please do like and subscribe my channel. Do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, so yeah, I have your cards ready here with me, dear Leo. And what I have to say about for this month. Interesting cards this month. And with the first card with Eight of Swords with me here, so I'm seeing that you have been, you things were not clear to you. You are like, you were very confused in a very dilemma, not dilemma, but yes, in a very confused state of mind. And you're not able to understand what's happening. And were not in a position or still not able to see things clear around you. Yeah, so it's like you are not making an effort to see what is correct and what is wrong. So this is very important, Leo, which may affect your future. I mean, which may affect your present decisions, and that may again impact your future also. So you should be, you should consider everything. You should be more proactive in looking at the things around, accept the things around, yeah, and then only then plan your strategy for this, uh, yeah, for the things around. So yes, and again at the same time, what I'm seeing here is there is some good news coming your way, Leo, this month, and wonderful news coming your way. So, if you are a single Leo, then there is a possibility that you may get to have someone in your life very soon. Yeah, and uh, yes, especially for single Leos, I'm seeing that someone may walk into your life, and this is again, this is not just simply walking into your life. You see, you both might get committed to each other also for the life. Yeah, so this is what a positive change I'm seeing in your life, and the person is going to be good anyhow. Yeah, so this sort of commitment might happen with you, dear Leo. And again, if not also, I mean, otherwise also, there is going to be some positive changes in your family. Yeah, yes, there seems to be some good news happening in your family again. Yeah, and there is a possibility of some family get-togethers also. There is a possibility of spending valuable time with your family in the second half of the month. Yeah, so maybe with this new person, maybe some guest coming, maybe some you are mm, maybe an old friend also. You see the old friend whom you're missing, or someone you were missing. This is the time when you may get an opportunity to interact and to spend valuable time together. So there is a possibility of these things happening here, and some family outing might also happen. Hmm. Yeah, Leo, what I'm seeing is you are in a quite now after, I think, this time onwards, you see, this is the month, because all this time, maybe from the past few weeks, things were not clear to you, or you were not very keen on looking the things as they are. You see, you were not ready to accept what is happening around you, and you have just shut yourself behind a door, thinking that yes, things will move out properly and it is not required, or you see that kind of attitude where you just wanted to ignore and just just trust on someone and look from their perspectives, keeping your perspective on the back. Yeah, so this is what you are doing, but this month is going to give you some kind of clarity. Yeah, so this is the month where you will be getting a clarity of vision. Yeah, so these confusions, and you see people around you who were disturbing you also, so you will be like, you will get to see things clear. What is important this moment is you should start believing yourself, you should trust yourself, and you should trust your intuition, what is happening around. Okay, and you should also be, yeah, what I should say here. So here I'm seeing with this kind of knowledge, or I mean with this kind of opportunity coming from the outside, you are going to be at some peace. I mean, you are going to settle yourself at peace. Yes, with peace. Yeah. So that could be the right thing, because yes, with six of waters here, you are, becoming calmer now. Then now the things are going to get clear. You are going to take control of the things of your life here. So not looking, not from others' perspectives. Now you have got your own perspective, which will definitely going to make things very clear, and it also makes you, gives you peace of mind at the same time. So a lot of that I'm seeing here. Yeah, you feel that yes, oh okay, this is the thing, now I want this, now I don't want this, I really don't have to worry about other things. So here this clarity is coming to you. So this is very important, and probably this clarity is something, which is also going to help you to have good family life, or good life, good happy moments or joyful moments with your loved ones as well. Yeah, so now the things, now the pitch is clear to you. So you are now prepared to go like that, you are not prepared to do anything, either batting or bowling or whatever. So the pitch is now clear to you. So this is what I am seeing here, and this is how, with this vision, there will be some positive changes happening in your life very soon. You should be prepared with that, not immediately though, but in couple of months time. So this is the month, you see, where this kind of wisdom that is coming to you, you should be able to make most use of it. So that is very important, because I'm seeing the energy, yeah, the energy card here is giving me a hint of your anxiousness. Yes, Leo, because you are not clear about it, so you are actually very anxious about the things around. So once you start gaining the clarity, start from yourself before help comes to you, or before things get clear to you. It is first thing that we have to do is we have to first take the initial step, and probably then, once we take the initial step, the universe will come forward to provide you with much deeper sense of clarity. Yeah, so take the first step of making things clear to you, of settling down with your own vision. Yeah, okay, so just give up this anxiety, that is very important this month. Yeah, dear Leo. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to say about you this month, Leos. So yeah, with this I would like to wind up, because mm, positive changes are anyhow I'm seeing. The one thing is you should be very prepared to give up your anxiety, to give up your anxiousness first thing, and you should start analyzing things by yourself. Don't just depend on others. Okay, so these two things are very important for you this month, dear Leo. Okay, with this I'm winding up your reading for this month. I really wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Stay safe. I am going to see you again in the next month. Till then, have a great time. Bye bye. Take care.